Note, all sales and purchases were made by check, right? So what we're required to do first, calculate the depreciation to be charged on each machine for the year ended 30th June 2017 and the total depreciation charge for the machinery. So one thing we should notice that for this company, the year ends in June, okay? 30th June, that's when the year ends. So we have to be careful of the timelines that will be used, right? So we're going to start with part one. We have to calculate the depreciation to be charged on each machine for the year ended 30th June 2017. So we're going to refer back to our table here, okay? So we've got machine A, right? It was purchased on the 1st July 2015, 15,000. Then it was sold on 31st December 2016, right? So before the year ends on 30th June 2017, the machine is sold, right? So what we're going to do is first we're going to calculate the depreciation for this machine, all right? So it was purchased on 1st July 2015, all right? So we'll go here, right? We'll say machine A. Okay, so it's purchased on the 1st July 2015, right? So if we count 12 months from 1st July 2015, we say July, August, September, October, November, December, that makes 6. We say January, February, March, April, May. Okay, May is the 11th month, then June, all right? So 1 year from 1st July 2015, 1 year from 1st July 2015 to 30th June 2016. Okay, this is 1 year, so we're going to calculate the depreciation for this year. So we're going to use the reducing balance method, okay? Okay, so for the reducing balance method, we're going to say depreciation equals the cost minus accumulated depreciation right, times the percentage. So in this case, it's 20%. So times 20 percentage is 20%. All right. So the cost of this machine was 15,000. If we refer to our tables here, we'll see that the cost, okay, 15,000 for machine A. All right. So we'll say 15,000 minus 0. Remember, this is year 1. Okay, so 0. So there's no accumulated depreciation yet, times 20%. Okay, times 20%. So we're going to say 15,000 times 20%. 20% is the same as 0.2. So 0.2 times 15,000, that will give us 3,000, right? 3,000. Okay, so we've done depreciation for the first year. So now from 1st July, okay, 2016, because this year has ended in 30th June 2016. So we're going to continue on. We say from 1st July right, 2016 to 30th June 2017. Okay, this is another year. But we have to remember that the machine was sold on the 31st of December 2016. 30th June 2017. Okay, this is another year. So first, let's calculate the depreciation for this year. All right, again, it's going to be cost minus accumulated depreciation. In this case, we'll say 15,000 15,000 minus 3,000. Okay, this is the accumulated depreciation from last year. Okay, minus 3,000 times 20%. Times 20%. So 15,000 minus 3,000, that's 12,000. 12,000 times 20%. Okay, we're going to get 2,400 kwacha. Okay, 2,400 kwacha. Okay. Now, remember the machine was sold on the 31st of December 2016, right? So before we go there, let's now first calculate the monthly charge, right? We calculate the monthly charge. So to get the monthly charge, we're going to divide 2,400 by 12. Okay, that's how we get the monthly charge. So 2,400 divided by 12. Okay, we're going to get 200 kwacha monthly. So this is the monthly charge. Okay, so now we're going to calculate how many months it is from 1st July 2016 to 31st December 2016 when the machine was sold. So on this side, we're going to say from 1st July okay, 2016 to 31st December 2016. Okay, so we are going to count the number of months, all right? So say July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, that's 6 months. All right, so there's 6 months here. So we're going to say, so this is the 6 months in between. So we're going to say multiply this 6 months by our monthly charge because our machine was sold before the year end. All right, so this 6 months, we're going to multiply it with our monthly charge. 6 times 200. Okay, and we're going to get 1,200, right? 1,200. Okay. So that is all you have to do for the depreciation for machine A, all right, because it was sold, right? And the total depreciation for this machine, okay, which we call the accumulated depreciation, all right? Total depreciation for this machine, okay, we're going to say 1,200 plus 3,000, all right, because this is the depreciation for the first year, and this is the depreciation which accumulated before the machine was sold, all right? So we're going to say 1,200 plus 3,000. It's going to give us 4,200. So in our depreciation account, okay, in our accumulated depreciation account, this is the amount that we're going to send to the asset disposal account. This 4,200. Okay. This is the money that's going to go into the account.